It is sunny in Benidorm town, but don't be fooled because having sunshine in our touristic city doesn't mean it's actually warm out here. And when you overlook the mountains that are surrounding Benidorm town, you will understand why. Let's have a quick zoom into it, shall we? And well, what do you see out there? Oh, this is snow. There is snow right here on Benidorm's mountains. And this means that right there at the back in Alcoy, Guadalest, probably in all the areas out there, there is snow as well, and much more than what we have out here. This actually shows us how low the temperatures are right now. This night in Benidorm, we've had 1 degree +1. How in the world is that even possible? Now, on midday, even though here on the gorgeous Levante beach, we see sun shining, so many people sitting on the sunshine. Don't get fooled because it is +6 right now. +6 degrees in Benidorm. And I'm not sure how all these teams here on the Levante beach are not absolutely frozen with shorts playing volleyball. How is that possible? I don't know, but you'll be able to see that people are wearing even hats and covering everything up what they can except for the eyes a lot of times because it's extremely cold. And it's curious because the sun's shining, but the air is really cold right now. So people are wearing quite a lot of clothes to stay warm. A lot of hats we can see out there about and around. Winter clothing, scarves, some even wear gloves and warmer shoes. But boy, it is absolutely cold. The good news is that this is not going to be forever. Don't worry. This type of weather will slowly but surely be disappearing from tomorrow. And by weekend, we'll have our lovely +18 degrees back. So it's just a temporary thing right before a mini summer. Comparing with what we have right now, it definitely is. Trust me, mini summer will come back to our Costa Blanca region and Benidorm town, which is going to be really much appreciated and will feel definitely like summer after a giant temperature shift. How can we go from +6 and +1 at night to whopping +18 by this weekend? Not really sure, but this is what the weather is like here in our area. Even so, you would think that on cold days like these, people would get scared, people would stay somewhere indoors and would not just go outside. But this couldn't be more different because people are here and there's a whole lot of people. And I feel like, and we suspect like this is because we've had quite a few rainy, foggy days. It was really cold, but it was cloudy at the same time. It was raining. Thus, a lot of people didn't get to enjoy the beach that much. And right now, when the sun's shining, even though it's quite cold outside, very cold, red noses everywhere, and quite pre-frozen fingers. Even though it is the case, people are here on the Levante beach walking and enjoying the sunshine. Even though it's, well, not the warmest thing to do right now, honestly. We've seen the giant crowd out here by the cactus terrace, which, by the way, is looking really good. People are choosing it because it's quiet. It's nice. It's not a big place. And here they have a lot of offers. Honestly, not bad at all. People are in shock about how my husband looks like and how will look like because scarves, like runner scarves that close your nose and mouth and everything up to the eyes, hat, and then another hoodie on top and the jacket. So basically it's just the eyes that are visible. But it's honestly really, well, it's too much. Not sure how other people are not cold, mostly probably because they're coming from colder countries or colder regions. But for us, it is really cold here. Calculate how many times will we say that it's actually cold. Let us know here in the comment section. Would be curious to know. Already have been quite a few, at least maybe 10, 12 ish. That's our guess. There's a yellow flag on the beach. That is because we've had quite a lot of waves. And even so, no one's gonna be swimming right now in the sea. Everyone are out here walking, moving a little bit their bodies to go into a little bit more of a warmer temperature. And others are heading towards bars, restaurants, cafeterias to just sit down, enjoy some nice drinks, snacks, meals. It is almost midday. It is practically midday now. So plenty of people are choosing local bars. A lot of them still offer some nice evening entertainment. And others are just watching the mountains at the back and they're seeing snow out there. I'm actually curious if there might be a time somewhere in the future where we will have the snow closer to us, even closer than what it is right now. Historically, it did snow in Benidorm at some point, but it was a snow that melted in seconds on the beach. It was like a humid rain / snow, like something in between. And it's not a typical thing here by the seafront. Other countries might be, but here it's not the case. And I'm wondering if might be happening at some point because, the weather has been quite crazy lately and you never know what it's going to prepare for us, right? Nearby, favorite bars such as the Heartbreak. We love this place for its entertainment. Very, very healthy bar, a very nice bar, a nice place to grab some drinks and snacks. And honestly, it has a very good entertainment. It's just how it is. There's a lot of entertainers. There's a lot of music bands and live music and performance. It's just a very fun place to be. Every time we pass by, we are always seeing it so fun. And it's attracting a lot of tourists and locals even to get inside, enjoy some music, and have some drinks apart from that. All the other bars here are working too. We're getting back to normal. It is a festive day still. Today is the last day, and that is it. It is over officially. All the festivities are over. Spanish love to celebrate. You know it by now. So we have quite a lot of festivities. And this winter we've had quite a few. Some people that we know. We love to meet up with fellow professionals who are filming here in Benidorm. In this case, we know him very, very well. He's always here, mostly for Spanish audience, by the way, on TikTok. But it's fun. It's fun when you actually get to see each other, put a face to the people who are behind all the channels or social media. It's just nice to say hi. And we're always here about and around. We see him quite a lot. So as you can see, we are all here on the Levante beach. I'm pretty sure there's quite a lot of our subscribers here right now because we are all here. And we're finishing all the festivities. It's the last day. Tomorrow, which is going to be Wednesday, is officially the day when people are heading back to, kids are heading back to school. Everything's getting back to normal. A lot of people are going back from holidays. And then the typical slightly quieter season starts because there's no major festivities here, but there's one very important thing, which is the cyclocross in Benidorm. This is a giant event that attracts people from all over the world, and mass media, press, influencers, especially sports influencers, a lot of sports elite people are coming here to compete, and in general those who just love cycling. So on those dates, starting from just in a few days time probably, there's gonna be an increase of cyclists in the area. So people are just standing there right in front of the police car. I don't get it, how people don't hear that there's a police car out there. That is insane. They don't hear a car coming onto them? That's incredible. Wow. Tiki Town. Lovely, lovely place. Sunny place, which is why a lot of people enjoy it. They've put some English breakfast, that they offer English breakfast. Apart from all the drinks and usual cocktails and bucket deals that they typically offer. They have a pizzeria included in the same establishment. So it is great to sit down here, and I feel like all the places that have direct sea view right now are well, getting some extra attention these days, simply because it's sunny, it's nice, it's warm. So people prefer to stay somewhere here with direct views towards the Levante beach and the Mediterranean Sea. There's a lifeguard out there, not sure why, because no one in their sane mind would go to swim right now. Although we might be wrong, there might be scuba divers and someone else maybe who would want to do that. But regular people, even coming from colder countries, I don't think so. It feels like it's +6 right now degrees. So definitely wanted to say cold, but I know you're counting the amount of times we said it, so I guess it counts in any case. But it's definitely chilly. Let's change it for chilly. Quite chilly outside. The city sports bar, national and international tourists, both are here, same as in Cafe Rico and in the Nabab cafeteria. So many people here on the promenade, and I guess it's going to be slightly less starting from tomorrow when we'll get back to normal. But so far, this is what we got. So far, an absolutely incredible atmosphere. Plenty of people packed up on the last festive day here in Spain, Benidorm town. Afterwards, many people will be returning to their hometown if they're coming on holidays from other parts of Spain, for example. And others will be going back with the shuttle buses towards the airport and back to their home country. So it definitely will be slightly quieter from now onwards, but Benidorm never sleeps, it never stops. So there's always going to be some movement about and around. It's never going to be absolutely empty. Still vivid, even though the occupancy might be slightly lower, but it will increase with the Benidorm Fest and it will increase with the cyclocross. Two events that are gathering thousands of people in our city and are great for the economy. Of course they are. And are great because they attract a lot of visitors to our town. And definitely hotels will be quite busy these days. And we'll be having a nice weather. We'll be having some sunny days, nice warm temperatures. What can be better than that to recover after intense Arctic polar winter that we've had experienced these past few days? So last day today of cold, we can do it. We can survive it. Some warm tea, warm coffee, something nice, some warm meals to eat. Winter clothes, gloves or jackets or scarves, whatever you got, today is the day to use those. And afterwards, starting from tomorrow towards the weekend, imagine on weekend, +18 degrees back. Sun shining with just the tiniest bit of clouds, +18, and probably even the real feel of 20 here on the Levante beach. Oh, it's going to be an absolute glory for all those who are coming here on holidays. Thank you for accompanying us on this short walk down the loveliest and busy Levante beach during the coldest day of the whole entire winter in Benidorm in the last 4 decades. We try not to freeze, but it's still nice to be outside because the sun is back, and that's what we wanted for quite some time. We'll see you in a brand new video this evening from Benidorm. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos here on YouTube, Shorts, and on our social media, Instagram and Facebook. We'll see you there as well. Goodbye.